War Day number 1015. 1015 days ago, the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Wednesday, December the 4th, 2024. We have here 3 regular puzzles. 2 of those I've already solved, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku, so 1 puzzle is left. The binary puzzle. Yes, it's binary time. And in today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now, but in the evening. Now I will continue with this regular puzzle, the binary puzzle number double 96. 96. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. The box is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double O's. Here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Now the double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double ones. Here no, there no. Double O's. Here one, there one. Double O's. Here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes in O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes in O. Double ones. Here no, there no. Double O's. Here one, there one. Double ones. Here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Then, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. Between the ones comes an O, between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Then, let me see, 1, 2, 3. Now I'm stuck. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. I'm stuck. 1, 2, 3. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. Okay. I need to wait here. Well. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between the O's and O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Okay. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between the O's and O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I need to think. 2, 3. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. Really stuck. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this came in O. This should be a 1. The ones, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, fifth O. So that box should be a 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. And 1, 2, 3, 4. This is number 5. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, between two O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I think we need to compare this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, time for comparing. I believe here we have 3 boxes here also. Here and here. So and here the columns I can compare. Well, this column, first one, and the fourth one, 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box, 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, need to compare again. The columns. 1, 2, yeah. Okay, we have a double 1 here. This is not the same. Cannot compare this one. How about this one? Double 1 here. Here we have a double 1. This one. And that one. Alright. So, again, 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 empty box 0 0 1 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have 1 here, this should be no. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Not helping me here. No, I need to compare again. The rows or the columns? That's the question. One O over there. This is different. Over there. Yeah. This one. And the last one. Okay. 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 empty box 0 0 1 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be no. We have a O here, this should be a 1. 1 2 3 4 5 1. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Finish. 9 minutes. Well, we saw it again. And I like this one here, so we'll do the thing. So thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in evening with the other 4 puzzles. In additional, until then, bye bye for now.